Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. On today's video, I will be discussing the following wedge that's currently getting created here on Bitcoin. We were seeing a fake out, and this fake out is already confirmed since we are right now seeing once again the significance of the resistance coming in here. But more importantly, we are seeing the significance of the support once again holding us up here. So if this sounds interesting for you, if you want to be finding more out about this specific falling wedge, and of course the next move that Ethereum is about to create here, make sure to stick till the end of the video. We're as well going to go into the lower time frames where we are currently seeing, of course, previous resistance flipping into support, helping us to push prices a little bit higher once again here. And we will be for sure discussing the daily candles where we are right now seeing that we are finding support on this middle level of the parallel channel. As well, we will be going over the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation where we are right now running in towards our previous resistance target. What is flipping into support? So if this sounds interesting for you, make sure to right away smash off these likes here. Let's go for the 250 likes on this video. It will be highly appreciated if you guys want to be taking 5 seconds of your time to smash it up here. Let's go for 250. And with this out of the way, let me go right away into the video. So Ethereum has been decreasing, of course, very significantly. And let me first disable this falling wedge here, and let me look at the rising wedge that we have been creating before we were creating this falling wedge over here. So we were, of course, telling to everyone that our price target is around the $1,750. But of course, as soon as we're going to continue down here, I will be looking at more opportunities that we can be potentially getting created here. And of course, right now, I will be not waiting so long on the sidelines, of course, because we are creating this falling wedge here. I've been already warning you guys several times about it, but right now we're seeing, of course, a confirmed fake out to the downside getting created here, and it will be still looking for a breakout. And of course, if we're seeing a breakout, I will be trading the breakout already. Of course, I will be not accumulating my position right now here. I will be waiting ever so slightly a little bit here, and of course, as soon as we are seeing a breakout of this falling wedge towards the upside, I will be accumulating my Ethereum position. And once again saying this, I will be keeping everyone up to date here on my Twitter page here at Rover CRC. So make sure to already hit that follow button over there, since we have been keeping you guys up to date about this lower time frame Ethereum update here, what of course is right now resulting in a very nice bounce, as you can see over here. And of course, all more and more updates here as well are given on this Twitter page. So make sure to check that one out here. But for sure, I'm personally anticipating right now to see a breakout here of this falling wedge. And of course, depending on where it will be, that will be, of course, our price target. But it can be, of course, an approximately move of 22% towards the upside. And I am not planning to miss out on a 22% move here towards the upside, and I will be looking forward towards trading this one as well here. So as well, if I'm enabling some other indicators, I am seeing some very bullish signals right now playing out, to be very honest, since we have been starting to set a higher low on the MACD here. So higher low getting formed on the MACD, and if I'm looking at the price chart and I connect the lows here, I see a lower low getting created here on the price action. So where we are creating a lower low on the price action, we are creating a higher low on the MACD, and this, like we already know here on the channel, is resulting in a divergence, in a price divergence. And this is, of course, a bullish divergence, since we have been going lower, but still the price still the strength of the sellers is cooling off here, but still we're going down here. So this is resulting in a bullish divergence. Since then we moved up here, but as well, this is giving us a signal of a trend reversal. We are currently spotting a trend reversal on the MACD here. So personally, I do expect the prices to rise anytime soon here. It can be taking several hours, but for sure, in my opinion, we're not necessarily going to see much lower prices getting created here. I won't be surprised if we're going to start moving up from here on. So make sure to be prepared here. Make sure that you're not going to miss out on this next major move here. And once again, you heard this first on the channel. You heard this first over here. And I will be going with long positions rather than short positions on this exact moment of time here. So currently as well, we are seeing still some resist lines that we have to be getting broken here. Of course, the resist line here on the falling wedge, but as well, a resist line here on the 4-hourly RSI here. So we are about to maybe retest it once again here, but we are currently forming a downtrend here on the RSI. So this is as well the momentum killer that we're currently having here. So as soon as we're breaking through this level, I do expect the momentum to increase once again here, and we could be maybe going towards overbought territories once again here. So looking forward towards that one already, and for sure, I can't wait to see how this will be breaking out here. So let me then discuss, of course, the lower time frames for Ethereum, since we have been, of course, creating a very interesting chart here. So previously, we found massive resistance. I say previously, but it was literally 2 days ago. We found major amounts of resistance around the $1,944. On that level, of course, we got rejected several times here, and you can see we recovered very beautifully in a V-shaped recovery. Since then, breaking above it with a very, very beautiful pump here, and right now we're retracing towards previous resistance, flipping into support. So this was a beautiful accumulation zone. I warned every single one of you guys, all the scalp traders, already about it here on my Twitter page, like I told you before. So yeah, very beautiful to see here personally. Since this looks to be as well, if we're enabling the MACD, that we're currently having some kind of an, oh, excuse me, that's the double MACD, that it does look like, of course, we were spotting these weaknesses in the downtrend over here. We were setting these higher lows where we were forming still lower lows in the price, actually resulting in a bullish divergence, resulting in the prices moving up here. I do expect the price moving higher since as well in the 4-hourly candles we're seeing bullish divergence coming out here. I personally do expect the prices to rise ever so slightly. So as well, if we're connecting these previous highs over here, I mean, it's still looking pretty neutral here. It's about to form, by the way, hidden bullish divergence, but we have been not confirming this one, so I will be not saying anything about that one. But for sure, I can't wait to see where the market is heading towards as well. If we're looking to the EMA ribbon, still trading against it on the 1-hourly candles, on the 30-minute candles, we're about to break it as well here. So yeah, much more resistance is about to come towards us, and personally I do expect this level to at least hold. If we fail to hold on to this level, yeah, we're probably going to set once again a lower low than this previous low, because I don't see Ethereum sitting still on higher low here if we're still failing to hold on towards this orange supportive box here. So yeah, looking forward towards it as well. If we're enabling the 1-hourly candles, we can see, of course, some more resistance getting formed currently on the top side. Like we know as well, Bitcoin currently forming an inverse head and shoulders. This is, of course, not really an inverse head and shoulders, but we are seeing a clear downwards level resist line that we keep be approaching, of course, very well here. As well, we could be reevaluating it a little bit here in the future if we're seeing, of course, this bounce getting confirmed here and this 1-hourly candle seeing closed, because then we can be maybe potentially look for a symmetrical triangle. So we are seeing downward slope resistance line coming in here, upward sloping support line coming in here. This could be resulting in some kind of a major move that we can be creating here in the coming, let me see, 7 hours approximately. So make sure to keep your eyes on the channel, and make sure to keep your eyes on the Twitter page if you don't want to be missing out on this next move that we're about to get created here. So with that out of the way, let me go a little bit into the daily candles before moving on to the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. Since on the daily candles, guys, we have been forming, of course, a beautiful parallel channel that we have been, of course, almost looking at every single day here. And right now, we already know here that, of course, several times this middle line here, this parallel channel in the middle, has been providing us very strong support. You can see once again, yesterday we had this retest and we once again bounced back towards the upside. And still, we'll be saying this, I will be remaining neutral on the bigger picture as long as we're trading in this pattern. If we're going to break out through the upside, I will be flipping extremely bullish. If we're breaking through the lower side, I will become, of course, extremely bearish. But still, that is still yet to be seen here. But personally, since I do expect Bitcoin to move up anytime soon here, I do expect Ethereum in the end of the day as well to move up here once again. And of course, I still expect Ethereum to maybe potentially set a new all-time high in this year here. So that is already nice to know if you're interested in that for sure. So as well, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin, what are we having over here? Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is looking quite interesting since we, of course, have been breaking below our important level of support, like you can see over here. And this level of support was getting found over here, and we have several touch points on this level, and since breaking below it, this level is right now providing us resistance already for the last several days here, the last 2 days here. So let's see if we can maybe go for a re-entry, or maybe just climb up steadily towards the upside, and in the end of the day still see a breakout. Of course, I'm personally anticipating a breakout before the 4th of August, because on the 4th of August, the new hard fork update is coming for Ethereum, what will be resulting, of course, in a pretty huge hype run up here. So yeah, can't wait to see what's going to happen with Ethereum. Definitely think there will be more volatility over here. So yeah, make sure to keep your eyes on it. And this was already it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to smash up these likes right now here if you haven't already. If you enjoyed this video, if you think this video is containing valuable information, let me know in the comment section as well. You will be rewarding me by far with smashing up these likes, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.